Grabby TV. Today we are playing Red vs Blue Plane War, and my only goal is to get the big battleship. And if I die, the video ends. Okay, so I gotta be really careful. I gotta get to the other side. It's gonna be really hard because if I die, the video ends. So I gotta be really careful. Wait, if I get the flag. What if I get the flag? Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's get the helicopter. Destroy that one. You've got to be kidding me. Man. How did this crazy? You keep guard. So, keep guard. Helicopter. I swear. I'm telling you I can get my own. Okay. Wait, I have 27 coins now. Yes. Go, 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 go. No. Well, subscribe if you liked that video.